The limit of human power. Question answers. What are the two different elements in science? Answer. There are two different elements in science: scientific knowledge and scientific techniques. Question number 2. What does the theorist wish? Theorist, theorist wish to understand the nature. Question number 3. What does the technocrats wish? In a word, technocrats wishes to change the nature. Question number 4. To what influence did the shepherd feed themselves? Why did humble shepherd feel subject to Pleiades? They used to think that their fate was influenced by Pleiades. It was their strong belief in the power of galaxies, which share their life and luck. Question number 5. How will hydrogen bomb affect the Earth's life? If hydrogen gas is changed into helium, it can bring about tragic disaster for the world because its raw material is ocean water that will dry up. The ocean will turn into arid desert. Question number 6. In whose reign coal lay about on the surface of the ground? The coal lay about on the surface of the ground in reign of Edward III.